Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth bit of exercise 4.1 of class 8. Let us observe the question, simplify it and give the reasons. First one is what? 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. Here to solve this, we should know the value of 4 to the power of 0. So we already discussed that the property, that means laws of exponents. By using that laws of exponents, we can write that a to the power of 0 is 1. That means if any number which is raised to the power of 0, that gives you 1, where a is not equals to 0. So by using this, we can write 4 to the power of 0 value as 1. And we also learned that if any number which is raised to the power of minus n, that can be written as 1 by a whole to the power of n. So by using this can be written as 5 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. See, here 1 means what? 1 by 1. So, and adding these two, you will get it as an 6 by 5 into 5 square, that is of 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. Here denominator is 1, denominator is 1. So, if you write this, here 5 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So, we left over with the 2 into 5, 2 into 5, that is of 10. So, what is the answer for the first one? That is of 10. In the same manner, let us say the next question. In the next question, we have 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. Here, if you notice that here bases are unequal, but powers are equal. So, to solve this problem, as the powers are equal, so we need to recall a formula, that is of if any number, that means if more than the two numbers, that means if a to the power of m into b to the power of m into c to the power of m given, this can be written as a into b into c whole to the power of m. By using this formula, we can write it as an 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. So, and multiplying this all the numerators, you will get a 1, and 4 to the 8 5 is 40. So, 40 to the power of minus 3. And just now we discussed that a formula, that is if any number which is raised to the power of minus n, that gives you 1 by a to the power of n. So, by using this, we can take reciprocal of 1 by 10, 1 by 40 as a 40 to the power of positive 3. So, this is our second answer. And if you see this is the third one, third question is what? 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by 4. 2 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. 3 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. And 4 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. Here what formula that we have used? We use that a to the power of minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power of positive n. And here if you see this, all the fractions are not having a common denominator, that means these are unlike fractions. So to add them, we need to take LCM. So LCM of these all, LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. So we need to make each fraction with the denominator 12. As our first fraction is denominator is 2, to make this 2 as a 12, this should be multiplied by 6. So denominator should be multiplied by 6. In the same manner, numerator also should be multiplied by 6. And second fraction's denominator is what? 3. But what we need to make, we need to make it as a 12. To make this as a 12, we need to multiply 3 by 4, and this also should be multiplied by 4. In the same manner, this 4 should be multiplied by 3, numerator also should be multiplied by 3. So, on doing so, you will get 1 6 as 6 plus 1 4 the 4 plus 1 3 the 3 into 3 by 4. You will get 13. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. So now we can cancel as what? 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the. So you left with a 13 1s are 13 by 4 4s are. So 13 1s are 13 by 4 4s are 16. So this is how to solve the third problem in this. Okay, now let's see this remaining 3 more problems. Let us observe question. Fourth problem, that is 3 to the power of minus 2. So by 3 into 3 to the power of 0 minus 3 to the power of minus 1. So to solve this, what we have to use, we need to use the same formula, that is a to the power of minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power of n. By using this formula, 3 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by 3 square into 1 by 3 into here 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0, if any number is power of 0, that gives you 1. So by using this formula, this can be written as 3 to the power of 0 as 1 minus 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 square is 9 into 1 by 3 into here, this can be written as 3 minus 1 by 3. So you will get it as a 2 by 9 9s are 81. So likewise we can solve this problem. Okay, so this is about fourth one. Now let us say this fifth one. Fifth one is what? 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. Okay, so this can be written as 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 plus 4 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. These are unlike fractions. So we need to make like fractions. To make them into like fractions, we need to take the denominator LCM. So LCM of this denominator is 6. So to make this 1 as a 6, this should be multiplied by 6. So numerators also should be multiplied by 6. 6 2s are 12. And this 2 should be made as a 6. So multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So and this numerator also multiplied by 3. This should be multiplied by 2. On doing so, you will get as 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 6. This is the fifth answer. And let us see this next problem, that is of last problem in this fourth bit. 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 2. This can be written as here by using this formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of mn. By using this formula, this can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 into 2. That is 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 4. As the power is negative, to make this negative power as a positive power, we need to use this formula. If a by b whole to the power of minus n given, this can be written as b by a whole to the power of positive n. So to make this negative power into positive power, we need to take a reciprocal of the base. Here base is 3 by 2, its reciprocal is 2 by 3 to the power of 4. This power should be applicable for the both the numerators and denominator. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. And we know the value of 2 to the power of 4, that is of 16, and the value of 3 to the power of 4, that is of 81. So likewise we can solve the problems of this fourth bit. Okay,